Tired of project management feeling like herding cats? Let's ditch the chaos and dive into Hubstuff, your new best friend for streamlined project success. First things first, let's create a project. Click the New Project button, usually found on the dashboard or in the Projects tab. Give your project a clear, descriptive name and set a start and end date. You can also add a project description to provide context and goals for the team. Now, the heart of Hubstuff: tasks. Within your project, add tasks by clicking the Add Task button. Assign each task to a team member, set a due date, and prioritize it as high, medium, or low. Add a detailed description so everyone knows exactly what's needed. Visualize your workflow with Hubstuff's Kanban board. Drag and drop tasks between columns like to do, in progress, and completed to easily track progress. This visual representation keeps everyone on the same page. Communication is key. Use the comments section within each task to discuss details, ask questions, and provide updates. You can also attach relevant files directly to the task, keeping all project-related information in one central location. Track your progress with Hubstuff's reporting features. Generate Gantt charts to visualize timelines and dependencies, or create progress reports to see how your team is performing. Use this data to identify bottlenecks and make adjustments as needed. And that's it. With these steps, you're well on your way to mastering Hubstuff and transforming your project management process. Explore further, experiment with features, and get ready to experience a new level of efficiency and collaboration. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more productivity tips.